If your floors deal with dog hair, crumbs, and constant everyday mess, this is worth seeing.
The Roborock Qrevo S Pro might be the best value robot vacuum under $600. With 18,500 PA suction, whether it's dog hair, crumbs, or everyday mess, it just handles it. Then the dual spinning mops handle wet messes, and they actually lift automatically so carpets don't get wet. And if you've got pets, the anti-tangle side brush means way less maintenance. But the best part, it basically takes care of itself. It washes and dries the mops, empties dust, and refills water to the vacuum automatically. You can also control everything right from the app or just set it and forget it. If you've been looking for a robot vacuum that actually saves time without spending a fortune, this is it.
And right now they've got a Mother's Day deal going on, so it's a really good time to grab one. Check out Roborock at the link in my bio.